we are the Bring a Trailer local partners for the San Francisco Bay Area, and we are happy to be presenting this handsome 1969 Alfa Romeo GT Junior with a 2.0-liter engine and gorgeous olive green metallic paint. Along with that 2-liter engine, it has a later transmission and limited slip differential. Our client has owned this since 2001. It has undergone a bare metal respray. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive, taking it through the gears. As we mentioned, this is a 1969 Alfa GT Junior. It has a 2.0-liter engine. Our client acquired it in 2001, and in 2007, they treated the car to a bare metal respray and significant rust repair. There's a thread on the Alfa bulletin board about this restoration. The car sat partially restored with our client until he retired and began work again on it in 2017. It was completed in 2020. And it's available on Bring a Trailer. Thank you very much.